Chief Minister N. Biren stated that misusing the freedom of speech is unacceptable and unlawful. He made a statement at the 82nd commemoration of Nupi Lan Day at the Nupi Lan complex, which was attended by ministers, MLAs and other important dignitaries. The Chief Minister added that the citizens of Manipur have always been law-abiding and they have always exercised their rights carefully in the past. However, it is now prevalent that abuse of freedom of rights is prevalent in the state. He continued, people are no longer supportive of others' achievements or goodwill. He reminded the public of the brave martyrs who fought off the British stronghold in 1904 and urged them to draw inspiration and courage from the historic movement, as it is a testament to the power of women's voice. The Minister also said that Go to Hills and Go to Village program is implemented to unite all communities and regions, and further added how peace and law and order is maintained in the state during the BJP's governance in the last 4.5 years.
Manipur Shibu Ningha Kamba state, Manipur Shibu Lepa Amoina. The Prasas which you not can come on the local dance with the Nasiki Miron recognition with the Cardiff. Other Moini Tamza with the Cardiff. Mashik and Madu Day when I appreciate. I don't know step home and Iraboti step from Simon Toganda, Station Kilaganda, Assembly of Manda, Netairabot, Station King Kalaka Lake and Begas the Maharajki. Nakanda Narashim Maharaj Amadi Adu Mamatambugi Sahitarit Kundapada Awabutan one of the 5 modern warfare of Loki, but the Bahiras and the station was hard the way say Kanunate political game that they say the spirit too Madumasi mirror the nation.